A very good afternoon, my dear friends. Welcome to today's session. Today's eminent resource person, Dr. Nagaraju Deshaboyina, Assistant Professor, huge experience in mycology. He is very expert in mycology, especially fungi. So, sir is working in Government City College, Hyderabad, Autonomous. So, Nagaraju sir is very eminent personality and very jovial and friendly nature. So, my dear friends, utilize this wonderful opportunity. So, today's resource person, Dr.D.Nagaraju sir, please welcome and start your session. Please share your screen.
Okay.
Yes.
Screen is appearing. Okay. Okay.
Now screen is visible, clearly visible.
Okay.
Please you proceed.
Okay, now. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, and hearty congratulations to all those who have joined in this coaching. I think it is the ultimate goal. Those who are joined, I think I expect all the people will get the PG seats. It is the first step to write the PG entrance exam to get the PG, especially plant science, plant biotechnology, botany in the central universities or as well as in our universities. You all know the two notifications already right, central university set and our CPGET for our all Telangana universities set. That all the notifications also we already kept in the WhatsApp group. Now only thing is you have to prepare as per their needs, how they are asking the questions, what you have to prepare, for what you have to give the importance. That all the ways you have to prepare, not as like the academic exam. You have to prepare for the competitive exam, and you one more all the best for your final exams also, which are going to write in the very nearer. You also keep on hand on that exams also, and then next immediately after that exam, you start prepare again the competitive exam. This one, okay. We already this all the introduction already over in the so many lectures. Now I will start the lecture as my interest topic, my PhD topic also. It's very interesting. You know the fungi. Students, good afternoon. Are you listening? Divya. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Yeah, you all know very well about the fungi. The fungi, you know, what does this mean? The study about the fungi is called as Divya. Only Divya is there. Okay. The mycology, you know the mycology, not my college, not yours college. It's a mycology. Okay. Mycology. Mites in the Greek or Latin, mites means fungi, molds or mushrooms. You know, everywhere in where the wastage products are, where the wet decomposed material, wet material, or spoiled vegetables, fruits, bread, where there is this all we can see. There is a molds. Boozulu. What we call it as boozu antam kada? Boozu. Everywhere it will be there. These are the omnipresent. Ubiquitous is all present in everywhere. You know the study about the fungi is called as mycology. Okay, mites. Okay, they're very very important. You know the complete exam may ask. This is the second largest group of living biota. Is the fungi. You know the first living biota? First largest living biota is insects. The total living biota, as per with the classification, you know, Protista, Monera, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. 5 kingdom classification is there now. With other classification, they are also very important in the competitive exam. But the first classification, the Whittaker classification, 5 kingdom classification. Of that, fungi is the one of the kingdom. That fungi is the second largest living biota. The competitive exam may ask which is the second largest living biota. The first largest living biota is insects, that comes under zoology. Okay, study about the mycology is called as study about the fungi, mites, molds, mushrooms. You know the mushrooms nowadays it is a burning topic. So many are very much enthusiastic, are interested to grow and to eat the mushroom products. Why? It is a vegetable meat. You know the vegetable meat is having the more and more protein than the meat, whatever the chicken, mutton. That's why called as vegetable meat. So you are going to learn that fungi, the most important organism, living organism in the total universe, total planet. Okay, that is fungi. Study about the fungi is called as mycology, not mycology, mycology. Okay, okay. The mites, you know, the whatever the diseases which caused by fungi is called as mycosis. This also question arises like that. Disease caused by fungi is called as mycosis. Disease caused by fungi is called as mycosis. Whatever the toxins which origin from the fungi, fungal toxins, you know the aflatoxins, aflatoxins, that all main products of the fungi, whether infection or the secondary metabolites. You know the Claviceps purpurea, ergot disease. That disease also producing one product that is, you know, what it is. You have any idea? That is the precursor for the production of vitamin D. That is a precursor of vitamin D. Okay, you know the so many importance are there. One of the most single cell organism, you know, the mostly fungi are mycelial. That means it's having the tubular thallus-like structure. What does it mean that fungi? Do you have any idea about the definition of the fungi? Do you know the definition of the fungi? Do you know definition of the fungi? The fungi is ecchloropillus, heterotrophic, eukaryotic. That means caulopides. Ecchloropillus, that means there is no chlorophyll. There is no chlorophyll pigment. And heterotrophic, these are not the autotroph. It depends on others for their own food materials. Heterotrophic, ecchloropillus, heterotrophic. Caulopides, you know the caulopides? Caulopides, bryopides, pteropides. Caulopides, which are in the thallus-like fruiting body, that are fungi. The exact definition is ecchloropillus, heterotrophic, caulopides are the fungi. Study about the fungi is called as mycology. Study about the fungi is called as mycology. Okay, mycology. These are ecchloropillus, heterotrophs. Okay, which among is the heterotrophs? Like that, they ask the question: algae, fungi, bryophyte, pterophyte. Okay, and then you can see who is the father of mycology. That also raises questions. Who is the father of mycology? Father of mycology, you know, the Myceli. Who is that? Who is that? Myceli, you see here. The Myceli, the father of mycology. The father of mycology has written the book first to describe about the fungi, that is Nova plantarum genera. That is Nova plantarum genera. The book written by Mycology. But later, enormous amount of the descriptions are given by who? Who is that? Anton de Bary. Anton de Bary. We call it as he is the modern mycology, father of modern mycology. He is the father of modern mycology, and also called as father of plant pathology. Who is the father of plant pathology? And also named question as a who is the father of modern mycology? Who is that? Anton de Bary. Anton de Bary. Okay, what is the fungus body? Fungus plant body is? The question is like that. Thallus. That is the most important. Yeah, very good. The fungus plant body is thallus. That is the most important. It is not a root, stem, leaf. The plant body is not a root, stem, leaf. It is a thallus. Okay, that is the most important. Okay, the thallus is the food body of the fungi. You know how the fungi are? Usually fungi which grows on
Yeast. It appears like yeast.
Yeast. You know the very important thing of the yeast. You know, without the yeast, there is no beverages, bakery items. No bakery, no beverages. Total bakery will become bekar. Okay, no beverages, beer, brand, whiskey, wine. That is the foremost important. It is earning trillion dollars of the money to us because of the single yeast. You know the importance of the yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces means sugar. Sugar. Myce means fungi. Mold, which grows on sugar. Where there is a starch material, heavy starch material, high amount of the starch material, there it grows usually. You know the sarai. That is the preparation of preparing because of the yeast by fermenting. You know the anaerobic respiration, fermentation. That anaerobic respiration, fermentation is caused by the yeast. Without the yeast, we can't prepare the alcohol. We can't prepare even bakery items, bread, cake, puff, whatever it is. That is not possible without the yeast. The most important. No, the single cell organism. Yeast is a single cell organelle. I think a question may arise. Single cell fungal organism. Yeast,
Yes.
Alpedium also is there. Yeast is there. Okay, one of the among the most important is the yeast. Okay, and then the majority of the fungi is having the mycelium. You know the basic thallus basic unit of the thallus is fungi is hyphae. You know the hyphae. The tube-like structure. The thallus is like a tube-like structure, like this. Here you see the tube-like structure. The tube-like structures are there. That is called as hyphae. This is also most important question. The fungus thallus is hyphae of any vegetable organism, fruit, stem, leaf, legs. What it is? The hyphae. Okay, the tube-like structure, tube-like structural unit. The basic structural unit of the thallus of the fungi is the hyphae. With the hyphae network, it forms the network. If it is formed the network, the hyphae is interconnected. That is called as mycelium. That is called as mycelium. Okay, the most important mycelium. Mycelium is the networking of the hyphae. Okay, networking of the hyphae is called as mycelium. The most important. And one more important question regarding the thallus is Cenocytic thallus is present in. Cenocytic. Cenocytic. What does it mean? Cenocytic. Cenocytic means here you see the thallus without the septa. More number of numerous nuclei are present in the single cell. Numerous cells 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see the numerous cells are present in the within the single cell. Single cell, that is called as cenocytic thallus. Okay, cenocytic nature. The cenocytic nature is present in mostly zygomyces fungi. Zygomycosis. You know the rhizopods, mucor. Nowadays, you all know very well about the mucor, mucormycosis. Mucormycosis. Those who are affected the corona, sugar patients, especially sugar patients, those who are having the sugar are getting affected with the mucor, but mucormycosis. The widely grown fungi, it is a saprophytic fungi actually. Where there is a sugar content is high, there it easily grows. That's why the sugar patients' blood is easily grow. That's why they are getting affected with that mucor. Okay, zygomycotinous fungi as a cenocytic. The cenocytic nature is present in zygomycosis fungi. Okay, the septate and aseptate, the major, the remaining, you know, the various Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina, Diplomycotina, that is a septate thallus. But whereas in the Zygomycotina, aseptate thallus is present. There will be no septa present. Okay. If you study about the septa, there is a different way is there. You know, the Ascomycotina, simple porous septa is there. That question also raised. The simple porous septa is present in Diplomycotina, Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina, or Ascomycotina. Where it is?
Ascomycotina.
Ascomycotina. The simple porous septa. It is present in the Ascomycotina. Okay. Okay. And then one more thing is Dallipore septa. Caranthosomes, 2 caranthosomes as like you know the coconut. So the caranthosomes, 2 caranthosomes is having the gap which covers with the lobes. That is commonly called as Dallipore septa. This Dallipore septa present in which? The Basidiomycotina. Which one?
Basidiomycotina.
Basidiomycotina. Simple porous septa is present in Ascomycota. Dallipore septa present in Basidiomycotina. You have to choose directly Basidiomycotina. Dallipore septa present in. The question is like that. Dallipore septa present. Diplomycotina, Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina. Which one that? The Basidiomycotina. Okay, you know the Basidiomycotina name? It's having the basidium as a fruiting body. You know the one more thing, the flagellated spores are presented. That means juice spores. Juice spores present in which fungi? Which phylum of the fungi? You have any idea? What are those 6 phyla in the fungi? You know the especially 2 types are there, Myxomyces, Myxomycota, and Neumycota. Myxomycota, myxo, not means false. False myces. There is no cell wall, there is not like the fungus. The cell wall is fungi. That body is also called it as plasmodium. That all comes under myxomyces. The myxomyces. Myxo means false. And Neumycota. New means true. True fungi. The remaining are true fungi. Okay. In that true fungi, you know the Masticomycotina fungi which having the flagella. Okay. Especially Oomycetes fungi. That only having the flagella. That fungi only having the flagellated spores. That's why we call it as zoosporic fungi. Which among is the zoosporic fungi? Question will raise like that. Which among is the zoosporic fungi? Masticomycotina. Yes, good. No other fungi having the flagella. Even Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina, Diplomycotina, no flagellas are there. Aplanospores. No flagellas. Okay. One more thing, the fungal cell wall is made up of it. That also most important. Fungal cell wall. The cell wall is made up of it. Which one? The fungal cellulose, also called as chitin. Fungal cellulose.
Glycoproteins.
Fungal cellulose. That is called as chitin. Okay. Especially glucan and monoams also present along with the chitin in the higher fungi. That means Ascomycota and Disclonus. But whereas only cellulose is the predominant in the lower fungi, that is in Mastomycotina. What I told you, the juice poric fungi. The juice poric fungi, the cellulose is high component. You know that actually cell wall is made up of cellulose in all the plants. You know the why we included fungi in the plants? Do you have any idea? Why? What is the reason? Fungi included in fungi of plant because of the reason is the fungi included in the plants. The reason is why? Because have any idea? They having the cell wall. You know the plant cell having the cell wall, whereas animal cells there is no cell wall. Only plasma membrane is present. No cell wall. Okay, having the cell wall. That's why we included the fungi in the plant. Even bacteria, even viruses. Bacteria also included in the plants. Why? That also having the cell wall. That is the reason. Having the cell wall component, that's why we included the fungi in the plants, not in animals. Okay. Okay. The one more thing, another thing important is what stain, which stain, or what color, what reagent we use to stain the fungi. That also most important. The cotton blue, lactophenol cotton blue. Usually to see under the microscope, whatever the fungi, if we pick it out from the whatever the decomposing dead organic matter or spoiled fruit, spoiled vegetables, if we pick it out to see under the microscope with clear visibility, what we use? The lactophenol cotton blue. That is the most important. The stain which we use for the fungi is the most important question because the stain which we use for the fungi. What it is? Lactophenol cotton blue. We added the cotton blue to the lactophenol so that it will be blue in color, light blue in color. Easily we can see the talus. Otherwise, it is in Highland color. That means white color. Highland. So we can't see clearly the whatever the set of nuclear. To clearly see for the clear visibility, we use the lactophenol cotton blue. Okay. Okay. And then you know the homokaryotic and heterokaryotic. Homokaryotic fungi also is the heterokaryotic. That means the mycelia containing of the two different genetical nuclear contents. That is heterokaryon. We have usually they are having the only same type of the nuclear material. That is the homokaryotic. But whereas in dichomycin you see the rhizopus, muca, plus strain, minus strain. We use it as a plus strain, minus strain. You know the heterothallic. You know the heterothalism. Heterothalism, which is first described by A. Blacksley. A. Blacksley in the Mucor. Heterothalism is presenting. The question raised like that. Heterothalism is presenting. And especially dichomycin rhizopus or mucor. Okay, heterothalism means or heterothalism described by first identified or described by whom? A. Blacksley. Who is that? A. Blacksley. Okay. And then you know the multinucleate, uninucleate and multinucleate. I already told you, xenocytic. Okay. I'm more thinking, what are, do you have any idea about the differences between algae and fungi? What is the main combined feature of the algae and fungi? What is the combined feature of the algae and fungi? These two are belongs to thallophytes.
Algae.
These two are belongs to thallophytes. These two plant bodies are thallus. Okay, algae plant body also thallus. Fungi fruit body also thallus. That's why these two comes under